Big hello to all my loving students. I am here to discuss with you about your English PAS exam which was held on 25th of September. So come, let us start. First, we are given a poster. We have to look at the poster carefully and answer the questions that follow. But first, let us discuss about the questions. A virus is a software which dash a system, builds up, corrupts, strengthens, creates. Next, the software worm needs a dash to spread around. That is desktop, channel, network, modem. Next question. How does the virus software harm the files? By deleting them, by changing them, by corrupting them, all of these. Next, which software carries out tasks and pretends to be useful? Spyware, worm, Trojan horse, adware. Next, a software in which details of a computer are sent to others. Adobe Reader, spyware, Google, Excel. Now dear students, आओ ਹੁਣ ਆਪਾਂ पोस्टर ਨੂੰ ਧਿਆਨ ਨਾਲ देखिए और फिर क्वेश्चंस फाइंड आउट करिए. In green color, spyware software is being described. In yellow color, Trojan horse is discussed. In purple color, virus software is discussed. In brown color, adware software, and in sky blue color, worm software is being discussed. So now let us find out the questions. A virus is a software which dash a system. So virus software is written in purple color. Virus software that replaces itself, causes harm to files by deleting, altering them and corrupting them. So we have got our answer first. Virus software corrupts the files. Option B. Next, the software worm needs a dash to spread around. Now software worm is written in sky blue color. Worm software that copies itself and uses networks to spread around without any user helping them. So what does it need? It needs network. So option C. Next, does the virus software harms the files? Now we have already read by deleting them, by changing them, by corrupting them. So option D is the correct answer. Next, which software carries out other tasks and pretends to be useful? Now that is the Trojan horse. Trojan horse software that pretends to be useful application but carries out other tasks. So which answer is correct? That is Trojan horse. Now next, a software in which details of a computer are sent to others. That is spyware. So next we are given a conversation. We have to read the conversation carefully and then answer the questions that follow. First, let us read the questions. According to the dialogue, Sean Smith is dash, the candidate, the interviewer, the company head, the receptionist. Next, the candidate had studied business, marketing, law, nursing. Next, the candidate had worked in sales for dash years. 3, 1, 5, 4. Next, what does the candidate do in his free time? He plays golf, he plays baseball, he plays cricket, he plays football. Next, which of the following statement is not true? The worker has worked in sales. Mark Turner is the company's personal manager. The candidate knows many of his customers. The candidate has marketing skills. Now, let us read the conversation and find out the answers. Personal manager. Hi Mark, Thanks for coming today. I am Sean Smith. Nice to meet you. Now we have got our sixth answer. According to the dialogue, Sean Smith is the interviewer. Next, candidate, hello, I am Mark Turner. Nice to meet you too. Personal manager, have you read the information about this job? Candidate, yes, it sounds very interesting. Personal manager, what did you study? Candidate, I studied marketing at Sorbonne University. So we have got a seventh answer. The candidate has studied what? Marketing. Next, personal manager. Great. Can you tell me about your present job? Candidate. Well, I work in sales and I have managed teams and projects. I have also a lot of contact with customers. Personal manager. How long have you been in sales? Candidate. I have worked in sales for 4 years. So we have got our next answer. The candidate has worked in sales for 4 years. So D option is correct. Next. Personal manager. What do you do in your free time? Candidate. I play golf. So we have got our next answer. What does the candidate do in his free time? He plays golf. So let us continue. Personal manager. And finally, what do you want? Why do you want this job? Candidate. I really want to work in marketing. This is a great opportunity for my career and I think I have the right skills for the job. Personal manager. Thank you, Mark. It's been good talking to you. Thanks for coming to the interview. So, our last question, we have to tell which statement is not true. So, Mark Turner is company's personal manager. This statement is not true. So, B option is the correct answer. Now, let us read next question. Abdul Hamid was a commando, a Pakistani soldier, an Indian soldier, an Air Force officer. So option C is correct, an Indian soldier. Next, who was the king's favorite? Lesson say no. In lesson say no, who was king's favorite was Gopal. Next, which one of the following is not our national symbols? This question is from which lesson? Our national symbols. So, C option, Ashoka pillar is the correct option. Where did the hermit live? In lesson 3 questions, where did the hermit live? In a bungalow, in the woods, in a palace, in a small house. So, option B, in the woods, is the correct answer. Next, why did the little daddy want to be an ice cream man? Now this question is from lesson how daddy decided what he wanted to be. So option A, so that he could eat all the ice cream. Next, my brother dash IPL match now. Now we have to use the correct verb. Options are watch is watching, watches was watching. So now the correct answer will be is watching. Next question. In the poem Abu bin Adam, who had made Abu bold? Now the options, the angel, the extreme peace, the moonlight, the darkness. So option is the extreme peace had made Abu bold. B option. Next question. I have dash good idea. Now we have to choose the suitable determiner. So options are A and the sum. So the correct answer is option A. A, I have a good idea. Next question. Peacock has been adopted as our national bird since. We have read this in our lesson national symbols. So in 1963, peacock has been adopted as our national bird. Now last question. Choose the correct English translation of the given sentence. वो तेज दौड़ रहा है. रहा है means continuous tense. So he is running fast is the correct answer. So with this we come to the end of our discussion. Hope you have fared well in your test. Thank you and all the best for your bright future.